What you will see and hear in the following video could take place during the writing of exams. Ukubhala, writing imviwo, exams. Requesting attention. Ukucela indlebe, literally asking or requesting ears. Alright, be quiet and listen. Kulungile, thulani nimamele. I want you to pay attention. Ndicela indlebe. Right, and they're still talking. Kusathethwa. I said no talking or silence. You are in the exam hall now. Bendithe thulani niseholweni yemviwo ngoku. Issuing instructions, giving, ukunika, instructions, imiyalelo. Alright, all cell phones must be switched off. Kulungile, zonke ii-cellphone mazicinywe. Fill in the attendance slips. Zalisani iziliphu zobukho. All bags must be placed here in front. Zonke iibhegi mazibekwe apha ngaphambili. Handing out the papers. Handing out UKUWAKHUPHA, AMAPHEPHA. Alright, the papers are going to be handed out now. Kulungile, amaphepha aza kukhutshwa ngoku. Leave the papers upside down. Ningawatyhili amaphepha. Do you all have a question paper? Nonke ninalo iphepha. One of the students says, no, I don't have one yet. Hayi, andikabi nalo. All right, young man, here you are. Kulungile bhuti, ina. The ina is said as you physically hand over the paper. Commencing. Ukuqalisa. All right, turn over the papers and start writing. Kulungile, tyhilani amaphepha niqalise ukubhala. One of the students asks, how many questions must we answer, miss? Siphendule imibuzo emingaphi, ma'am? Answer all the questions. Phendula yonke imibuzo. Thank you. Enkosi. Running out of ink. Miss, my pen has run out of ink. Ma'am, ipen yam iphelelwe yi-inki. Who can lend Themba a pen? Gubani ongamboleka uThemba ipen? Here is one, miss. Nancy, ma'am. Thank you. Don't forget to return it. This being said to Themba. Enkosi. Ungalibali ukuyibuyisa Themba. Two students whisper. Abafundi ababini baya sebeza. Sebeza, to whisper. Hey, these questions are difficult. Kwelokhu inzima le mibuzo. Do you have the answer for question 2? Unayo impendulo yombuzo wesibini. I have it, but shh. She is looking at us. Dinayo kodwa shh. Uyasijonga. Show me when she is not looking. ndibonise xa engajongi. Cheating, UKUQHATHA. Thando passes a note with the answer. uThando ugqithisa iphetshana elinempendulo. Here, take. She is not looking. Ina, Tata, akajongi. But Miss Smith sees them. Kodwa unkosazana Smith uyababona. What are you doing? Nenza ntoni? Where did you get that note, Zola? Ulifumene phi ela phetshana, Zola? I just picked it up, miss. Ndilichole nje, ma'am. Don't lie. Suxoka. I want to see both of you after the exam. Ndifuna ukunibona nobabini emva koviwo. Time is up. The end of the exam. Ixesha liphelile. All right, time is up. Kulungile. Ixesha liphelile. Stop writing and put down the pens. Yekani ukubhala nibeke pen okanye intsiba. Hand in the papers. Ngenisani amaphepha. You may go after that. Ningahamba emva koko.